Hello, guys. Everyone is asking about, the use of the coupon, how to insert the coupon. All you have to do once you're on the website, the first thing, make sure you are already logged into your account. And then you're going to click on this logo just to make sure the KaribaWorld logo. This is the home page. You will scroll down. You will scroll down, you get to this basic package, $1 because the coupons are $1. You click on subscribe. Once you click on subscribe, it will bring you to this page. Check out. You see the basic $1. You view the cart. You view the cart, and this is what is in the cart. And then you can copy paste your coupon here, apply the coupon. Once you apply the coupon, you see it says coupon code applied successfully, and then you proceed to check out. So you proceed to check out, and then you will see whether your coupon will take you. You fill in all your information. This is what you are going to click here. Once you fill in your information, you go to place order, and that's it. And then you'll be able to access all the jobs, scholarships, everything that is on the website. And then your order is received. Thank you. Your order has been received, and that's it. It's done. Goodbye.